God is good. I love the sound of running water, and it even gets better when you can raise your hand, thank God for a day like this. Swing on around and look at something with historical value. It's amazing. I just thank God for everything. Been blessed. It's been a beautiful day. Thank God I had the opportunity to make it out here. And I know I got friends out there that would love to see this live, but there's certain areas, so this is the next best thing I could do for you, is just to share the beauty of it. God bless you. Love you.